Welcome to Vidgram Studio training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to record a video message with a screen in Vidgram Studio. Go to the left menu and click on Video Messenger. Now choose your message type. Now you can record your video message with a screen sharing. Just select the screen you want to share. Now you can record your video message with a shared screen. Use this feature to enhance your reach. Once you are done recording, click on Stop. Now click on Save and Continue. Now enter your video title and description. Click on Next, and here you can customize your video player. We will cover detailed functionality of Edit Video Message Player settings in upcoming videos. You can control your player. You can add a logo to your video message. You can either upload a logo locally or import it from a URL. You can change the player theme. Just choose it from drop-down. You can add CTA URL to your video message. You can also add a scheduled date and time to your video message if you want to publish it later. Just select the date and time on which you want to publish your video message. Choose your video player color. Click on Submit and your video message is ready. You can share your video message on your desired social media platforms. You can share and embed your video message on any platform. Or you can share it via mail also. You can copy your video message URL. You can open your video message URL. You can see the publishing details of your video. You can see your video message in the My Video Messages section. You can control the video message player visibility of your message. We will cover the detailed functionality of My Video Messages section in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching the video.